This is a Geiger-Muller tube, or GM tube for short. It is connected to a counter to become a GM counter. The GM counter is used to measure the counts or the count rate of radiation at a certain position. There is no radioactive source near the GM tube now. Why are counts recorded? A gas mantle is held in front of the GM tube. What does the count record tell us about the gas mantle? A radioactive source is placed in front of the GM tube. The counter records a large number of counts. The sound from the loudspeaker gives an indication of the count rate. When the radioactive source is close to the GM tube, a high count rate is recorded. Why does the count rate drop when the radioactive source is farther away from the GM tube?